My grandpa used to write names in a little black notebook. Every person on the list died. After Grandpa died, we found a small black notebook hidden in his dresser. It had nothing but names and dates. At first we thought it was random. Then my mom noticed every name belonged to someone who died on the exact date written beside it. Family, neighbors, old co-workers. Dozen of them. At the very bottom of the last page was a blank line. That night, I woke up to pencil scratching. I followed the sound to Grandpa's old room. The notebook was open on the desk, and the pencil was moving by itself, slowly writing a name. My name, then a date, tomorrow. When I tried to erase it, another line appeared underneath. Dolat,